Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn algebra step by step. Algebra is a fundamental branch of mathematics where letters, called variables, represent unknown numbers. You will learn to recognize basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and how they apply to these variables. We will also cover substituting numerical values into simple algebraic expressions to find their results. This foundational understanding is crucial for building more complex mathematical skills. Now let's tackle solving basic equations. The main goal is to isolate the variable, getting it by itself on one side of the equal sign. You'll use inverse operations, like subtracting 5 if you see plus 5, to keep the equation balanced. For example, to solve x plus 5 equals 10, you would subtract 5 from both sides, finding that x equals 5. This one-step process is key. Moving on to algebraic expressions, we'll learn how to simplify them by combining like terms. For instance, 2x plus 3x simplifies to 5x. Understanding the order of operations, often remembered as PEMDAs or BODMAs, is vital when evaluating expressions with multiple operations. We'll also practice distributing numbers across parentheses, like turning 2 times the quantity of x plus 3 into 2x plus 6. This makes expressions much clearer. Finally, let's explore applying algebra to real-world situations. You'll learn to translate word problems into algebraic equations, turning sentences into mathematical statements. Regular practice with diverse problem types is essential for solidifying your understanding. Don't hesitate to review foundational arithmetic skills, such as fractions or decimals, if needed. Consistent effort and problem-solving will build your confidence and mastery in algebra, opening doors to more advanced mathematical concepts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.